Your Digital Advantage 45 includes the antenna, a balun matching transformer, U-bolt mounting hardware, and an instruction manual. You'll need an 11mm wrench. Step 1. Fold out the square-shaped arms. Then, rotate the elements along each arm until they snap into place. Next, unfold the two shorter UHF elements and the two longer VHF elements. And finally, unfold the last two elements with yellow stickers. Step 2. Connect the looped end rods and the balun matching transformer to the screw terminals as shown. Use the included wing nuts to securely tighten the connection. Step 3. Attach the U-bolt mounting hardware to the base of the antenna as shown. Step 4. Fit your antenna mast through the U-bolt. Then, with an 11mm wrench, securely tighten the nuts. This concludes the assembly of the Channel Master Digital Advantage 45. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.